Hi, I'm Rachel Wright, Certified Jira Administrator and author of the Jira Strategy Admin Workbook. I'm glad you're using Jira. I'm a user just like you, and it's the best software I've found to track my own work, as well as the work of my team, so we can meet our goals.
In this course, you'll learn all about Jira and how to create issues so you can get started right away. You'll learn how Jira is used and can be integrated with other applications, the differences between projects and issues, the 7 parts of the main navigation bar, how to use the default system dashboard, the 9 parts of every issue, how to properly create a new issue, the 3 ways to find issues, how to identify a project's lead, best practices, and how to view and change your profile options. This course is for anyone new to Jira. I made it basic so you can start creating immediately. Check out my intermediate and advanced courses for a deeper look at all the features. Also, this course is for users of the server version. Have cloud? Check out the Intro to Jira cloud version instead.